Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a professional email newsletter for your clients. So this on the Canva website or app, depending on what you're using, just click on the home button and search for newsletter. Then on the search results, you can scroll and choose a newsletter template that is professional enough. So it depends on what you're going for and the type of business you run. You can also impute that above. So once you're here, you can you can see business newsletter here, business newsletter. So these are all professional newsletters that you can create to and modify. So let's say I want to it depends on the business I am running. Okay, good. Real estate. I can go ahead and click on this template and see related templates. So I can go ahead to customize it. So once I can create an entirely new page from this blank with this blank document given, I can add a new page. But since I've already chosen the templates, all I have to do is edit it and modify it to suit what I need it to be, and there you have it. You have your professional email newsletter within seconds. So if this video has been helpful in any way, let me know in the comment section. Have a great day.